How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. We're going to be doing a comparison just to see which one's better, what are the pros and cons, and see what we can do to help you guys out to make a buying decision. Right here we have the UE Megablast, and here we have the UE Boom. As if you look at them right there, they're very similar in size. The UE Megablast is about 1 inch taller and about 1 pound more. Price point, this is about $100, $120 online, and you can pick these up for about $180 online. This is today's market. The prices are going to change. You can actually pair multiple Megabooms together to make a crazy loud party sound. You can pair up to 50 Megabooms together. This is the UE Megablast. You have about 16 hours of battery life compared to about 12 hours with the Megaboom. The UE Megaboom has 2 speakers and 2 passive radiators. With the UE Megablast, you have 4 speakers, you have 2 larger speakers, 2 tweeters, and some passive radiators as well. One cool feature, since this is a smart speaker, it's a home audio speaker, there is a pad here for the charging. So you'll put a wireless charger pad on, and then this will serve as your smart speaker at home. It does have Alexa built into it, which is a really cool feature as well. This is definitely more of a stationary item. Even though it does travel with you, it is very heavy. This would be more of a portable option for you. So this speaker, I wouldn't say the bass is as good or worse. The sound is very similar, it's just louder. You have about 25% more capacity since it's just a bigger speaker in general. So as you can tell, it is definitely significantly louder than the other speaker, but you are paying a premium for it. So if you want to get something that's smarter, that you have Alexa built into, and it has more of a loud sound, go with the UE Megablast. If you want something more on a budget and it's more portable, I wouldn't say it's the most portable speaker out there, but a little more portable, I would go with the UE Megaboom. That's the option here. All right, folks, if you guys enjoyed this video, like it up, comment our video. And if you guys want to purchase this and support us, feel free to do so. Check out our website, JoesGE.com. You guys have a great day.